Hi, my name is Kenneth Statton, President, MST Manufacturing.
Mary Statton, MST Manufacturing, Vice President, Claremore, Oklahoma.
So I'm right here, Claremore native. Grew up in Verdigris, graduated from Claremore High School in 1986. I actually started my first machine shop here in Claremore in 1989.
It's definitely been a learning experience that I really appreciate the magnitude of what goes into manufacturing parts from start to finish.
I dropped out of college after my second year and came back that summer, got a job at McDonnell Douglas, and continued going to school while I was working. And when I got laid off from that job, the reality was I did not have a college degree. I did not want to go back to school, and I just had an itch to start something. So I started a machine shop in my garage and never looked back.
What I've learned over these last 13 years of being in this industry is that you definitely need to have your basic like math, and mechanical, like STEM type, characteristics or training.
I think the first thing that people need to acknowledge is that everything in our life is touched by manufacturing. Regardless of what's going on in that community, if it's thriving, you're going to find a solid manufacturing base where people are employed, making a difference, making a living, and then spending that money in the community that they live in.
I would just encourage anybody who's interested or considering the manufacturing industry as a career opportunity to obviously really research it and feel free to come to us. I would just want to say, consider manufacturing for an opportunity in the future for employment or entrepreneurial opportunity.